Calling all off-road enthusiasts. Ford is now offering a thrilling half-day adventure at the Bronco Off-Roadeo. Let's dive into this exciting experience and learn how you can take part. The half-day adventure at Bronco Off-Roadeo is a 4-hour off-road extravaganza with professional trail guides providing instruction. This experience is designed for participants of all skill levels, and guess what? Ford provides you with a Bronco to use during the adventure. It's like a taste of the classic 10-hour day, which is complimentary for new Bronco, Bronco Raptor, and Bronco Sport owners. So, you can now enjoy the thrill even if you don't own a Bronco. Ford's Bronco lineup boasts incredible off-roading capabilities. Thanks to its terrain management system with GOAT modes, drivers can conquer any type of terrain. There are also fantastic off-road mapping and drive technologies like the Bronco Trail app and Trail Control. In the words of Matt Simpson, the general manager of Ford Enthusiast Vehicles, the half-day adventure is a great way to fully immerse yourself in the Bronco brand and create unforgettable memories. So, what's in store for participants? Well, you'll receive hands-on coaching from expert trail guides, taking a Ford Bronco SUV through challenging terrains and taking in stunning landscapes. It's all about experiencing the power and capability of the Bronco in its natural habitat. You'll also master essential off-road skills like selecting your line, throttle control, and maintaining traction to tackle even the trickiest trail obstacles. But it's not just about off-roading, it's a lifestyle. You'll delve deep into the Bronco brand, its rich history, view exclusive gear and accessories, all while joining a welcoming community of enthusiasts. And guess what? Emmy Award-nominated actor and limited edition Bronco heritage owner Sydney Sweeney recently embarked on an epic adventure at the Bronco Off-Roadeo in Moab, Utah. Her adventure, documented on Ford's Instagram and Sweeney's channel, includes honing her off-roading skills and showcasing her 2023 Bronco Heritage Edition in Robin's Egg Blue. Now, how can you book your own half-day adventure? Well, it starts at $795 per vehicle and includes a driver and up to 3 guests. Interested? You can make reservations at various locations, including Las Vegas, Moab, Utah, and Horseshoe Bay, Texas. There you have it, an exciting off-road adventure awaits at the Ford Bronco Off-Roadeo. Whether you're a seasoned off-road enthusiast or a newbie, it's a chance to experience the thrill and the Bronco lifestyle. So, what are you waiting for? Book your half-day adventure and make unforgettable memories. For more information and reservations, visit BroncoOffRodeo.com. And remember, if you own a Ford Bronco, the full-day Bronco Off-Roadeo experience is on the house. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you on the trails.